Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to jump right into it today. We are doing a t-shirt that says blessed here. I have chosen the font, I believe it's Alyssa DeGuise, something like that, but it is one of the fonts I purchased from designbundles.net, so feel free to look that up. And using the same font, I have and highly favored in white. I'm going to be using white vinyl for that. So it's pretty simple. You guys can see the guides of what I use for sizing, but of course you want to do it according to the size of the garment that you're using. Please be sure to subscribe, and if you haven't already, hit that like button. So right here I'm just weeding out the words, and just make sure that you're getting out those little pieces, like the circle that's inside of the A, the D, the E, all those little pieces. They really do matter, because if you miss one, it can really ruin the whole thing. So be diligent. Sometimes it looks better if you stand up to look at it. Well, not that it looks better, but it's easier to tell if it's straight or not if you stand up to look at it. But these script fonts are harder to tell because it doesn't flow along a straight line. Like the B comes down lower, so it's just not. So I have to just eyeball it to the best of your ability. I'm just going to take a little bit off of the top of this so that I can get it as close as possible. super hot. Oh my god, it's so hot here. Hopefully you guys can see the highly favored.
Give us a subscribe, hit that button.